Okay, hi everybody, and welcome to the EdgeX Foundry 2022 Awards Ceremony. My name is James Butcher, and I'm the chairman of the Technical Steering Committee, and it's my pleasure to help present these awards today. I've only been doing the TSC chairman role for maybe the last few weeks, but this was one of the main tasks I was really looking forward to doing, and that is helping to announce and honor the valuable work and effort that is delivered by our great community. It's been another fantastic year for the project with two more releases and a continually growing user base. This year we made both the Jakarta, which was our first long-term support release, and the Kamakura release just recently back in May. We've been running these awards for the last 5 years, I think, and the list of previous winners is like a hall of fame of EdgeX developers. So being added to this list is a really nice achievement, I think. And like I say, it helps to demonstrate the sort of thanks that we owe all of the people who work on EdgeX. And how this works is that anyone is open to be nominated. People can nominate individuals, they can nominate teams or groups of people they feel have really helped to drive the project forward. And then we, the 10 or so EdgeX TSC members, we vote on those nominations to help pick the winners. So it really is a recognition of thanks from the community and quite a prestigious award, I think. So let's get on to the awards themselves. And this year we have quite a few winners, which again, I think help represents the growing size of the community we have here at EdgeX. And as usual, the awards are divided into two categories, innovation and contribution, with usually two deserving winners in each category. So we'll present the innovation award winners first. And now the aim of the innovation award is to clearly recognize the outstanding technical designs and implementations achieved by our team. And that's certainly the case here for everybody today. In fact, this year's Innovation Award is actually a three-way tie, so with three separate awards to be presented now. And the first winner is actually a team, a duo, Brian Nevis and Jim Wang, both of Intel, who have done fantastic work and continue to do so in all things related to the EdgeX security. In particular, they've designed and implemented the new delayed start capability of the EdgeX services. That is, that each service can be started at any time and then for them to still be secure and receive their tokens. So basically the services can come and go and everything can maintain its high security capability. And really quite innovative the way that was done, I think, in storing and distributing the secrets, which was quite different to the previous way we did that. So well done, guys. I'm going to hand over maybe to Brian first to say a couple of words if you can.
Sure. Thank you very much for the award. It's been a pleasure working with the EdgeX community, and I hope to continue to serve you as your EdgeX chair in the next release cycle.
Fantastic, Ryan. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And Jim, are you online as well?
Yes. Thank you, EdgeX community, for this opportunity, and thanks everyone that helps me along the way this long. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thanks, Jim, and well done to both of you. I think I should say that Brian's actually won this award in the past before, so that really shows his commitment and contribution to the project. So thanks both of you. That's great. Okay, so the next winner is actually another key pair of EdgeX developers, and that is Anthony Casagrande and Mark Fuller, both of Intel. And they've been working a lot with EdgeX over the years. They've both contributed to the internal aspects of the EdgeX code base, but also using EdgeX from an adopter standpoint and the promotion of EdgeX within Intel and their projects. In particular, this year, they made a huge impact on the design and development of the LLRP services, which are obviously vital to EdgeX. And we're seeing a lot of use cases in retail and things like venue stadium management, where things like LLRP, barcode scanners, and RFID are really important sources of data. Anthony, you want to say a few words?
Sure. So yeah, thank you to the community. I mean, it's a great group of people that you guys have here, and it's been great to be a part of it and enjoy continue working with everyone.
That's great. Thanks a lot, Anthony. And I think actually Mark isn't able to join us today, so I'm sure you can accept this on his behalf as well. And yeah, very much thanks to both of you. Really appreciate your efforts and work. Okay, and like I said, there's a third award in this category. So finally, for innovation, Emilia Reyes, also of Intel, who has again done valuable work in the field of our EdgeX DevOps and our CI/CD processes. This year in particular, Emilio designed and implemented a transition over to Python for some of the DevOps processes, making the pipelines faster, more flexible, and more efficient for us all. And I think the setup of the semantic versioning pipelines and the automated checking that goes along with that is particularly clever. As always, we say we're so proud of the DevOps team here at EdgeX, which it really helps to make the lives of the rest of us easier. Helping to build and deliver and maintain the services where we can rely on that really solid basis. So, Emilio, are you able to say a few words?
Yeah, sure. So yeah, I want to thank the EdgeX community for this wonderful award. And it's always given me a great sense of pride to be able to work with this team and to be able to contribute. So this means a lot. So I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, Emilia. Really appreciate everyone's work in the DevOps team as well. All right, let's jump to the contribution award. And obviously, contribution reflects not just technical capability, but also the effort and overall contribution we have in the project. And the first winner is Ian Anderson of IoTech. So Ian has been a key part of EdgeX for years. He chairs and leads the device services working group and runs both the Golang and C teams. EdgeX relies on its ability to collect data from all the different sensors, of course. So the device services are absolutely critical to this. I think he helps maintain and manage something like up to 15 different device services now, all at different stages in their life cycles. And Ian, apparently you've made over 500 commits to the project, which is amazing, really. Ian's also a contributor in all of our architectural discussions and always has a well-reasoned idea and explanation of how things should be done and helps us arrive at the best decisions, hopefully. Ian, over to you for a few words.
Sure. So hi, just like I said, I think being given an award like this by people of the caliber of the EdgeX leadership's really something pretty special. So thank you all very much for that. I do appreciate it. It's been an absolute privilege to work with you for 4 years or so now, and I'm looking forward to carrying on with this, this great project that's what EdgeX is. So thanks again.
That's great, Ian. Thanks a lot. And the final winner then of the contribution award is Siggy Skolausen. So Siggy, formerly of Canonical, and I think has actually left the company now. But Siggy has made a huge contribution, like Ian, in the technical discussions and so on. But in particular, Siggy designed and implemented the EdgeX CLI, which makes it so much easier for our users to adopt the software, to run with it, and basically use the EdgeX system. He also updated it recently from the version 1 to the version 2 APIs, which must have been no mean feat. And Siggy also fully maintained the Ubuntu Snaps capability for the project for several years. And now, unfortunately, Siggy sends his apologies. He's not able to make it today, but I'm sure you'll join me in wanting to thank him for everything he's done for the project, and good luck in your future career. And Siggy, even though you may be not working on EdgeX directly anymore, I hope you still have a look out for our releases and have the occasional play with the software and so on. So again, thanks a lot. Okay, that's all the awards presented. So again, thanks everybody. Thanks everybody so much for their contribution. We really appreciate everyone's effort and commitment to the project. It really is an active, it's the active engagement and contribution from people that really makes it such a fun project to be part of. And so, well, thanks again, everyone, and we'll see you for more awards next year, hopefully, and hopefully even face-to-face. If we can do that, that would be fantastic, wouldn't it?
Yeah. And James, before we move on, hi, folks, this is Jill from LF Edge Marketing. I would love if we could get a group shot, if everyone can turn on their cameras, all of our winners, for just a moment and hold up your trophies so we can get a screen grab. It shouldn't be very painful. It'll be very quick. Thank you.
Sounds good.
I'll let you know once I've got a screen grab. We'll just wait for a few more folks to turn their cameras back on. All right, got the picture. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Jill.
Thank
And
you.
thanks again, everybody. Like I say, it's really a great product to be part of, and it's because of everybody's effort and commitment that makes it so good. So thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you next year. Bye for now.